when they're sitting waiting to take a setup, there's this idea of a win that they create in their mind, and there's this dopamine reward expectation. They're sitting there waiting, and they're creating this idea of, all right, I'm about to enter this trade, and by taking this trade, I'm gonna make this amount of money, this percentage, get closer to pass my funded challenge or a payout, and they create all this dopamine in their brain about those certain outcomes. Now, if that trade is a loss, because they've anchored that particular trade to be so pleasurable and have so much dopamine associated with it, then if that trade is an inevitable loss, eventually they're going to be in dopamine deficiency. They're going to be in a state of lack. They're going to be in a state of pain because reality doesn't align with their fantasy, and they're going to have a dopamine deficient in that moment. The brain now seeks a trade to restore that emotional balance because they were expecting this outcome, but now they're down here. The brain is trying to fill that gap of pain. So what happens is the trader, the only strategy they see in their mind to be filling that gap is to get back straight back into the market and revenge trade, over trade, maybe even over risk in that moment, maybe even take a trade that isn't part of their plan because they just want to alleviate pain in that moment. They don't care about their plan anymore. So even a bad trade that's not part of your plan, can temporarily and momentarily relieve that discomfort. Because in your mind, you're thinking, oh, good, I'm back in a trade. This could be the one that helps me alleviate that pain.